The BMW M4 CS Edition VR46 is a striking blend of motorsport engineering and iconic racing heritage. Created as a tribute to MotoGP legend Valentino Rossi, now factory driver, this exclusive edition stands out as much for its performance as for its unique design. Rossi, often referred to simply as the Doctor, transitioned from 2 wheels to 4 in recent years, competing with BMW in the Fanatec GT World Challenge Europe. Driving the BMW M4 GT3 under the WRT team banner, Rossi has taken part in prestigious endurance races such as the 24 Hours of Spa, the 1,000 kilometers of Paul Ricard, the Nürburgring and the Le Mans 24 Hours. Built on the already potent foundation of the BMW M4 CS, the VR46 edition retains the same 3.0-liter inline-6 engine with M TwinPower Turbo technology, producing 550 horsepower and 650 newton-meters of torque. It propels the car from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.4 seconds. Power is delivered through BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, with a rear bias set up for sharp handling and confident traction. The 8-speed M Steptronic transmission ensures rapid gear shifts and seamless power delivery. What sets the VR46 edition apart are the aesthetic and symbolic elements. Finished in a striking snow palo yellow, the car features subtle number 46, insignia as a nod to Rossi's legendary racing number. Exclusive interior detailing includes Alcantara and carbon fiber trims, with yellow contrast stitching and custom badging that reinforce its limited-run prestige. The M4C is already a high-performance track-capable machine, but the VR46 edition adds a layer of identity and legacy that motorsport fans will instantly recognize. It's not just a special edition, it's a celebration of one of racing's most iconic figures, fused with BMW's relentless pursuit of performance.